Good morning. How are you? It is very unfortunate. We are all miss our classroom atmosphere, classroom teaching, college atmosphere due to this bad COVID. However, by the decision of government and Board of Intermediate Education, now we are all met together with online classes, digital classes. It is the decision of government and decision of our Board of Intermediate Education. We are all create WhatsApp group, second year all economic students, English medium students and Telugu medium students, we are all create WhatsApp group. By this WhatsApp group, we are now learning some economics lessons, especially second year lessons. We all completed in our previous year, that is first year economics, completed the definitions of economics, basics of economics, some values and theories of economics, that is classic, some employment theories also we completed, classical theory of employment, Keynesian theory of employment, indifference curves, law of demand, law of supply. This is all first year topics we are already completed in our previous year. Now we are going to study second year economics. The difference between first year economics and second year economics, in that first year economics we have lots of schedules, diagrams and some critical theories, critical topics in first year economics. But in our second year economics we are going to study the development of Indian economy. We all together and our central government, state governments, how to develop the India. When I am in intermediate stage, our lecturers, teachers, our India is developing economy. Still today also, we are also in the status of lecturers, we are also said that our India is developing economy, not developed economy. After 74 years of the independence, our India still also, we are all called the India is developing economy, not developed economy. Why? Because number of problems like population, poverty, unemployment, income inequalities and etc. problems. That's why we are now also, our India is developing economy. In our second year studies, second year economic studies, we are going to study the problems of our economy and how to solve the problems. What are the solutions of the problems? For example, population is a very, very important problem. And due to population, there is the choice of poverty and unemployment, income inequalities. These are some problems of our Indian economy. In our second year economics, we are going to study the problems of the economy and how to eradicate the problems. What is the sources of eradication of these problems? This is our second year economics. In the second year economics, like first year economics, there is no scope of diagrams, no scope of schedules. This is only theoretical part. In our second year economics, the first lesson, that is growth and development. Now we are introducing the second year syllabus. That is our first lesson, growth and development. What is growth and what is development? What is the difference between growth and development? Growth belongs to which countries and development belongs to which countries? This is our first lesson. After the completion of first lesson, we are going to study the problems. Already we told that the problems like population, unemployment, poverty, etc. problems and solutions